How to add CoreDAO on MetaMask. Are you guys facing issues to add CoreDAO on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the MetaMask application, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, you can see the icon for plus. Tap on it. Now search for CoreDAO. In order to add CoreDAO, just check this box and tap on next. You can see the option for import, click on it. As soon as you hit the import button, CoreDAO will be added on MetaMask application. And that's it guys, that's how you're gonna add CoreDAO on MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.